Welcome to the world of anthropology. As you know already, I discussed in this particular playlist 2.1 culture, 2.2 society, 2.3 marriage, 2.4 family, and now it is 2.5 kinship. The 2.5 kinship is very important. In this, I will be explaining about the syllabus. With the syllabus, I will be also explaining about my notes. I will be showing you my sample notes. So, what are the topics which are present in the 2.5? Earlier we discussed about 2.1 culture, 2.2 society, 2.3 marriage, 2.4 family. Now it is kinship. In kinship means relatives. Two types of relatives we will have who are connected by blood. Mother, father, brother, who are connected by marriage. Conjugal, consanguinity and affinity. Affinity means it is also called as marriage bond. So, consanguinity and affinity. Who are consanguineous relatives? Who are affinal relatives? Affinal means marriage. Consanguineous means blood related. So, two types of bonds are there. One is called as consanguinity and affinity. Other is called as principles and types of descent like unilineal descent, double descent, bilateral descent, ambilineal descent. These are different types of descent. Means how I am tracing my descent. Like tracing means tracing one's ancestor. Descent means tracing one's ancestor. In India, what? I will trace my ancestor through my fatherland, patrilineal. In Tibetan Plateau, there is a tribal community, or Nayar tribal community in Kerala also, they trace their ancestor through the female line. Me means daughter, mother, grandmother. It is called as matrilineal. That is called as descent. So, different varieties of descents are there. It is unilineal descent, double descent, bilateral descent and ambilineal descent. Different varieties of descents or different types of descent. Second topic. And third topic is different forms of descent groups. One descent group lineage, Khandan, clan, moiety, fratry, kindred. So, different forms of descent. Lineage, clan, fratry, moiety and kindred. Different forms of kinship groups it is. Kinship groups. One group is formed because of the Gotra, lineage, Khandan or clan. Kinship terminologies which are descriptive and classificatory. So, how the relationship, how the names are given based upon the descriptive and classificatory. Descent filiation and complementary filiation. Descent filiation and complementary filiation. Descent, tracing one's ancestor. Filiation, with respect to my descent, if I am having the bond, is called as filiation. Other than descent, but they are part of my relatives, are called as complementary filiation. That is called as descent filiation and complementary filiation. Last, descent and alliance. Descent and alliance, whereby I will be tracing my ancestor, is called as descent. Who are connected by marriage is called as alliance or affinal. So, that bonds are called as alliance. These bonds are called as descent. In this way, we have consanguinity and affinity, one topic. Types of descent, second topic. Different forms of descent groups, third topic. Kinship terminologies, fourth topic. Descent filiation, complementary filiation, fifth topic. Descent and alliance, sixth topics. In this way, there are 6 topics under this particular topic called as types of descent. Now, I will show the notes. So, see the notes in this way. The notes will be there. Why? Because this is very, very important and tough unit. That is the reason I am opening the notes here. Kinship. So, what is kinship? Who is the person gave the definition of kinship? See, anthropology optional is easy, but for the first time you have to get the command. Once you got the command, the subject will be very, very easy. Consanguinity who, affinity who, and some diagrams will be there like who is male, who is female. There are some characteristics in diagrammatic expression, kinship relationships. What are the characteristics of kinship? Some diagrams will be there, degree of kinships like primary, secondary, tertiary degree of kinships, tertiary degree of view of kinship, structural view of kinship and functional view of kinship. Principles and types of descent. We know types of descents are unilineal, bilineal, ambilineal descents. So, this all we will be doing through diagrammatic form, patrilineal descent, matrilineal descent, with lot of case study. There will be a case study which is called as Avanku local, Ashanti tribal community. He is the king. So, with case studies also we will be doing double descent, ambilineal descent, bilineal descent. So, this all we will be discussing. Then we will have different forms like lineage, clan, fratry, moiety, kindred. So, lineage, example of lineage. And clans and fratry, some symbols will be there for every clan and for every fratry. And kindred bond, what is kindred bond? Like modern society, I wish to maintain relationship with my wish people. That is called as kindred. Then kinship terminology, we will have some diagrams like descriptive and classificatory. It is called as Eskimos example. This is Omaha example, Crow Indian example, Iroquois Indians example, Sudanese society example. These diagrams we have to remember. Hawaiian society, this is rough diagram. Then I will be using my pen and I will be drawing the diagrams like this. I will be connecting and I will be explaining you in that way. Then descent filiation and complementary filiation, example of Yanomamis. Yanomamis of Brazil. Then the functions of aliens. For every unit, I will be doing the previous year questions. What are the previous year's questions of this particular unit? Then I will be giving some question, model question, and I will be explaining you how to write an answer. In this way, the subject will be going on. So 2.5 kinship is a very important topic in complete second unit. So the new batch is going to start from June 12th, Anthropology, full-fledged batch, 1 year validity batch. I will be taking the responsibility of your Anthropology. So for your Anthropology, I will be the responsible. I will be taking care. If you want to enroll, in the down, there is a form. Fill up the form and we will be calling you and giving all the details. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.